Mangoes are a unique fruit that can be enjoyed year-round and worldwide. My name is Tony, and today I'll be making you our Mango Saigon Swizzle. This cocktail comes with a fresh mango syrup infused with kaffir lime, pineapple juice, lime juice, and some coconut water, giving you a balanced and refreshing cocktail. Let's get started. For this cocktail, we're going to be building directly into our service glass, and we'll add a little swizzle to mix up our ingredients. We'll be adding our mango kaffir syrup. An ounce and a quarter will be just right. A half ounce of pineapple juice. An ounce and a quarter of fresh lime juice. And 2 ounces of coconut water. We're going to add some ice before we swizzle. A little cocktail mango ribbon. And with our bar spoon, we're going to drop this down in the middle and just give this a good little swizzle, mixing and blending all of our ingredients together. A few turns will be just right. We're going to add some more ice on top. We're going to garnish with a beautiful mango spear and a couple of our beautiful amaranth leaves and one beautiful shiso leaf. And this is our Mango Saigon Swizzle.